Part 4. Modifying high liquid level and low liquid level for switch 1. First, it is important to clarify that the low liquid level value must be lower than the high liquid level value. Suppose we set the low liquid level value to 100 millimeters and the high liquid level value to 200 millimeters. How should we make this modification? First, we need to read the current high and low liquid level values. Send the command 0103000. Click Send. This command reads the low liquid level value of switch 1. The value is 000, meaning the current low level value of switch 1 is 0 millimeters. Next, we need to change the low level value of switch 1 to 100 millimeters. We enter the command 01060002. Now, how should we fill in the subsequent data bits for the 100 millimeters value? First, you need to multiply 100 by 10. Then convert the result to a hexadecimal number. We find that the hexadecimal equivalent of 1000 is 0x03E8. We write 03E8 into the register at address 0 by 002. Click Send. Now this value has been successfully written. And then, let's read the value again. 0103002001 to check if 038 has been written into the 0002 register. Alright, the value we read now has changed to 03E8. The 100 millimeters value has been written to the low level register. Now we need to set the high level value. How do we modify the high level? First, the register address for the high level is 0003. Let's first read the current value of the high level register. Using the command 01030001. Click to read. We find that the current high level value is 2328. We need to change the high level to 200 millimeters. The hexadecimal equivalent for 200 millimeters is calculated by multiplying 200 by 10 and converting the result to hexadecimal, which is 07DO. We write 07DO into the 003 register by entering the command 01060000307do. Click Send. The value has been written successfully. Now, let's switch back to the 03 register and read its value to check if the value in the 0003 register has been changed to 07DO. Click Send. We can see that the value of the 0 by 0003 register has been changed to 07DO. Now the high level and low level values have been modified successfully. This chapter ends here. We understand your needs.